जगद्गुरु कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु
वाग्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। My prayerful blessings to all of you. I am very happy to inaugurate this online festival of divinity in humanity under the theme of Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. As a month-long event, online sessions in the evenings by various scholars and acharyas, commencing from Shri Krishna Jayanti this year on 11th August 2020. Swami Vivekananda said, every soul is potentially divine. That is fact, that is not an imagination. Bhagavan Shri Krishna himself says in Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, first Vibhuti, he is teaching, Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarvabhuta Shayasthitaha. Hey Arjuna, in all souls, I am the soul of souls, or I am the pure consciousness which is Prajnanam Brahma, who is Brahman in every soul. In Advaita school, even soul is not real. The Brahman alone is the real. The soul or Jivatma is superimposed on pure consciousness, which is divinity. The divinity has two aspects. One is Ishvara, Saguna Ishvara, another is Nirguna Ishvara or Brahman. If we develop divine qualities, which is Daiva Guna, according to Krishna's teachings, Daivasura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga, 16th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, then we will experience the divinity in us. Then we can understand the original pure consciousness according to Advaita Siddhanta. We are non-dual Param Brahma. This is the concept of divinity in humanity. When we call it humanity, the humanness also superimposed on Jivatma. The Jivatma never born, never die. The Jivatma alone takes so many bodies. One of the body is human. In human body alone, we can express our subtle body, which is called Sukshma Shariram, fully. In human body alone, the Jivatma can understand the original nature of divinity in Jivatma. Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha. This is the teaching of our Upanishads. The same Upanishads alone Krishna taught to Arjuna in the battlefield. We are always in battlefield. So many problems we are facing. In spite of facing so many problems, we can enjoy this knowledge. Enjoy this knowledge through Bhagavad Gita Shastram from a competent teacher. The shloka Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum is the theme. I will explain the shloka. Vasudeva Sutam Devaki Paramanandam, Kamsachanura Mardanam, Devam, Jagadgurum, Krishnam Vande. According to our Shastra, first we serve properly to our parents. Vasudeva Sutaha Devaki Paramananda. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, even though he is an avatara, but he follows the Vedic way of life. Therefore, he served his parents properly. He is giving happiness to father, mother. Even Nanda Gopala, Yashoda also. Even foster mother and father, foster parents, Nanda Gopala and Yashoda, he gave happiness to parents. That is our duty. Next, we must remove all bad things in our mind and external enemies. The Kamsa Chanura Mardana, Sri Krishna. Vasudeva Sutaya Namaha, Devaki Paramanandaya Namaha, and Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha. The enemies, Kamsa Chanura symbolizes our own likes and dislikes. In Bhagavad Gita itself, Bhagavan says, Indriyasya indriyasyarthe ragadveshau vyavasthitau tayoho vasham na agachet tau hyasya paripanthinau. He conquered likes and dislikes. He fought with Kamsa and Chanura, symbolizes all enemies, external enemies and internal enemies. He destroyed because he is an avatara of Vishnu. In Bhagavad Gita introduction, Shankara Bhagavad-pada says, whenever dharma goes down, adharma overpower dharma, then Bhagavan himself took avatara. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharatat abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. We know in 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. When he took avatara, he protect dharmic people and correcting the adharma people with the help of Samadana Bhedadanda method. Therefore, Bhagavan Mahavishnu took Sri Krishna avatara and established dharma samsthapanam, dushta nigraham, shishta paripalanam. He taught us how to conquer internal enemies. Then only we are capable of conquer external enemies. Next, he is called Deva. Deva means div, to shine. Means pure consciousness. The Shuddha Chaitanya Swarupa. He himself knows, I am pure consciousness, and he taught to the society through Arjuna, we are also same pure consciousness. The original nature of us is pure consciousness. Because of the Upanishad teaching, Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsaha Sudhir Bhokta Dugdham Gita Amritam Mahat. All Upanishads are like cows. The cowherd is Bhagavan Sri Krishna. He alone milking from cow, the Upanishad cows. The Vatsa, the calf of cow is Arjuna. The milk is called Gitamritam Mahadugdham. The Sudhihi Bhokta. Whoever have Shraddha Bhakti, they are enjoying the Gita Shastra. Gita Shastram upashritya trin lokan palayamyaham. Bhagavan Mahavishnu says to Tara in the Gita Mahatmya. We will see the shloka now. வசுதேவசுதம் தேவகி பரமானந்தம் கம்சச்சாணூரமர்தனம் தேவம் கிருஷ்ணம். கிருஷ்ணம் means one who cultivate our mind is called Krishna. One who attracts our senses and mind is called Krishna. There are so many meanings for Krishna. Krishnam and Jagadguru. Of course, he taught the wonderful Gita Shastra to the entire humanity through Arjuna. He is called Jagat Shishya. We can call him Jagat Shishya. He represents us. Therefore, he is Jagat Guru. In our Chaturmasya Puja, even though this is called Vyasa Puja, first we invoke the Krishna Panchakam. Then alone we do puja for Vyasa. Therefore, Krishna is the main Guru. Krishna Jagat Guru. Vande. Vande means we prostrate. Therefore, the excellent topic, Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum. I am very happy. This program started by Adhyatma Yoga Academy. I pray and bless all. This program will have wonderful success. Hari Om.
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.